Fine, let me go with the problem number 14. Fine, here. If the circumference of a circular park is 88 meter, then find the area of the park. So this is what they have given. This is the circumference of a circle, that is they have given 88 meter, and we are supposed to find the area of the circular park. Right, we know that a circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. So they have given circumference, right? Circumference is how much, right? That is 88 is equal to 2. We know what is the value of pi, that is nothing but 22 by 7 into r. So therefore radius we need to find out, because the area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So here we need to find r. So by using the circumference of circle data, we can find out here. R is equal to 88 into 7. 7 goes that side. 22 into 2. So this will become 22 ones are 22 fours are. Correct. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So r is equal to 72 into 2, which is nothing but 14. We got the radius of circle is 14 centimeter. 14 meter. 14 meter. Right, now we know that area of a circle, which is what we are supposed to find out, area of circle is equal to pi r square, which is nothing but pi means what? 22 by 7 r square, which is nothing but 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Now multiply it, you are going to get this. So 22 into 14 twos are 28. Right. So here what happens? So let me multiply it here. 28 into 22. 8 twos are 16. 1 carry. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. 56. So similarly 56. 6. 6 plus 5 11. 1 carry. 616. So 616 meter square. This is very important thing. The area of circular park is 616 meter square.